Guys, good morning. Just got out of bed now, so my voice is a little raspy. Please forgive me. So today's video is going to be a weekly vlog. I just feel like I've put some things in place for me now to actually start weekly vlogs, even though right now my life is not so interesting, but trust me, I'm on YouTube. I'm going to make it interesting. So today we're starting the weekly vlog. Today is Wednesday. Yes, and today I'm supposed to start going to the gym because we need to get this December body ready. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I'm DEBORAH. I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber and I make amazing content for your enjoyment. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's go. Hey guys, hey besties. So I figured I'll go in the evening. I have a nail appointment to go get my toes done in the afternoon, but right now I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna take you guys to go and eat one of my favorite things to eat. It's a street food. I ate it when I traveled to Port Harcourt, so let's go. So this is my favorite meal for now. I ate this while I was in Port Harcourt. It's Bolian fish. So yeah, it's just grilled fish with grilled plantain and a sauce and some onions. So yeah, I'm about to dive in and it tastes so good. So drop me a comment in the comment section if you are from Port Harcourt or if you love the Port Harcourt plantain and bolu. So guys, I just got back from getting my toes done and now I'm headed for the gym. So hopefully I will feel comfortable and confident enough to vlog in there, but if not, I'll just use like little snippets just to give you guys the deets on my first day at the gym. So talk to you guys when I'm back from the gym. Wish me luck, guys. So guys, we're at the gym and I'm about to get on the stepper. My gym is so cool. It's so lit. I really want to be able and I was scared, but let us get on it. I can't remember anything. No. I just did 20 minutes on the treadmill, so I'm excited to see what's gonna happen. I'm waiting for my trainer to come train me. So yeah. up. I just brushed my teeth, washed my face, and I'm about to do my face mask. But yesterday I couldn't even check in with you guys because I was so tired. I literally ran out of the gym. My whole body is breaking. Like, oh, my leg, my thighs, my hand, my back. But I guess that's what you get for not working out for a whole year. I just want to do the Army Purity Mask. It's a clay mask. I've used this and shown this in one of my videos using only Nigerian skincare products, and I really like it. So this is it. I'm supposed to go out today for lunch, so we'll probably get ready together. And yeah. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. This skirt was a gift. This skirt was a gift from my friend, and it was too tight, so I had to go and take it in. So I hope you guys should wish me luck. I hope my skirt doesn't bust when I finish eating. And I'm just wearing this bodysuit, and I think I like the way my hair came out. And yeah, I'll just wear these slides or mules that look like the Bottegas, and yeah. I can't feel my face. And then our children will not even know what happened. This exact one is where they showed us here, and then this exact one we passed. So guys, this is my outfit. We're at Vanilla Moon, but the way they're looking at me, I'm kind of shy to vlog. But I just wanted to give you guys my outfit in better lighting. So cute. This skirt makes my butt look nice. Well, we ordered, and if you guys don't see a lot of the places, because it's kind of weird, they don't want me to video. But yeah, I love how I look. I feel good. I feel good to be out. So, and my hair is doing really good. I thought it would fall, but yeah, see you guys when I do see you guys. You're making me dance. Oh, not so bad. Oh, my lamb is very soft. Don't taste it. Taste it.
Enjoy.
Very soft. To go. Bye bye, ma. See you. Hey besties, so I just got back from the gym. I took a shower and I did my skincare routine, hence my face is looking like a glazed donut. If you can't really hear me and you're hearing some noise at the background, I live in Nigeria. If you're new, welcome. I stay in Nigeria and we have regular power shortages. Okay, NEPA takes light here and the gen is on, so yeah. So like, you know, from this vlog, I started working out 2 days back, and when you work out, you're supposed to up your intake of protein because your muscles get sore, get torn when you work out, trying to give you that snatch look. So you're supposed to up your intake of protein so that you can replenish your muscles. So I did get some stuff, but I want to show you guys the stuff I got from Instagram. So if you have a business on Instagram, don't play with it because people actually really buy from Instagram pages. So this is the product I wanted to show you guys that I got from Instagram. It's from a company called Date & Co, and on Instagram it's dateandco.ng. So let's just unbox this together because I haven't opened it yet. So this is a burst of energy, nourishing taste, nutty goodness, 100% natural, versatile, and it is made up of maca, chia seeds, earth almonds, green coffee, dates, sugar, and more superfoods. So this is an all-natural alternative to protein shakes because I have tried protein shakes before and I hated it. I hate the taste of protein shake and I feel like it gives me gas. So it's a morning ritual in my house for us to drink coffee, me and my mom at least. So we're going to be making a coffee smoothie, and yeah. Okay, so and to this we're just gonna add some almond milk and some yogurt, some vanilla yogurt, and 1 banana. Okay. Guys, this looks so good, so mighty good. So I'm just sprinkling some coffee and yeah, we are done. So yeah guys, this is my smoothie. I'm about to enjoy it and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment down below what you thought of this vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So good.